Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with their family and friends. I'm also good, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very beautiful wooden projects, designs and ideas about wooden. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. You can see in this video wooden projects, designs, wooden decoration ideas, wooden designs and wooden also beautiful decorated ideas for your home interior. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our fantastic and fabulous ideas about beautiful wooden projects. So beautiful and so elegant styles about beautiful wooden projects you will see in this video. You can see in this video many more about beautiful wooden projects like dining table, chairs, tables and wooden candler designs, wooden wardrobe, wooden yard ideas and also beautiful wooden garden areas, decorated ideas. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all about beautiful wooden projects. You can see in this video very amazing and very perfect ideas about beautiful wooden projects. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. Wow, it's amazing and fantastic ideas, cutest ideas and stylish ideas, top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about beautiful wooden projects. It's fantastic and fabulous, cutest ideas about wooden projects, wooden project designs and ideas. If you're watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end. It's all our wooden projects, designs and wooden decorated ideas for your home interior, for your halls and many more others. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. Okay guys, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you again till the next video. Next ideas about beautiful wooden projects. Goodbye, have a nice day and superb day. Allah Hafiz.